Alright, so this time, no, in order to help you really pass the exam, I think it's really important as well to know the basics and the concepts with regards to traditional and variable life licensure exams. So the concepts first. So in order for us to do that, you can actually access a learning material or a shall I say, tutorial, no, through our Alex platform. So number one thing nga buhaton is dapat first is naka-confirm na mo with your Alex account. So if you don't still know how to confirm your Alex account, so approach your recruiter or your leader na hatagan mo confirmation sa Alex account. And if nana mo ingon sa inyong leader is na nahimoan na mo Alex account, then you have to confirm it. No, diya tay link in this video above, no, nga kanang mo siya how to confirm your Alex account. So assuming that you already confirmed your Alex account, so you will now log into your Alex account. So ang nakanindot ani is that this learning module is actually self-paced. So meaning it's up to you whether mag-study ka karon, then next upon those, it's very perfect for those who are actually employed full-time. So again, you go to search nimo no sa inyong browser, Google baron or basta lang sa browser sa inyong device. So sa laptop ka, sa Google Chrome, no, asa search nimo ang FWD Alex. So click this first result, no, assuming na log out muna natin to. So after you click that result, so dito yung lalabas, okay? So you log in now with your Gmail ginamit sa pag-confirm ng inyong Alex account at saka yung password na nilagay mo during that time na nag-confirm ka with your Alex account. Okay? So sign in. So this one, pre-coding requirements and traditional variable life insurance review. Click mo yan. And then ito na. So i-continue mo na lang since this first. So the basic concepts, so the basic plans, basic provisions, ethics, and the mock exam. Okay? Yan. Alright. So I hope that open mo to, enter ka, diba? Loading yan. So it will continue. Play mo yan. Okay. So just in case no busy ka na naman, no, then hindi mo natapos yung isang module, so you can actually go back directly no kung saan ka nag-stop during your last review. So again, what you're gonna do is to again log in, no, with your account. So log in ka na naman, then automatic na yan siya. So continue mo na lang itong mga courses. Assuming lang na okay na yan siya. Right? I think that's it.